My name is Dohyun Lee, and I am an assistant professor in the Department of Kinesiology and Recreation Administration. And I belong to graduate faculty committee, so I am more working with graduate students. And for undergraduate program, I am in Recreation Administration program. Yeah, and I am involved in right now 5 research projects, but let me introduce 2 representative research projects I am involved in. So when COVID-19 pandemic happened, at that time I was scouted by the 2 NCCU research programs. One is Accord Advanced Centers for COVID-19 related disparities. And the other one is that is well known as HOPE, and that stands for Health, Equity, Environment, and Population Health Program. So those are the research programs to take care of health disparities, and especially these days more COVID-19. And my focus in there is I am investigating the effects of social determinants of health. Social determinants of health include social factors like income, social support, and medical service accessibility and education level, and how those factors impact people's COVID-19 symptoms and their related stress and discord at individual and family levels. And now the manuscript is ready. Yesterday, the manuscript I wrote based on the findings I've done so far for the past 1 year, and it's ready for the submission to one academic journal, and I'm reading the manuscript. Before COVID-19, you can just pick the COVID-19 out from the my research. Then it was stress, discord, and chronic diseases and physical activity, eating behavior. All public health issues were my research topics, and yes, I had really good track of research projects and publications. Yeah. So actually, last year I was also highlighted by the NCCU alumni magazine, Winter, and then I was one of the faculty members who made a critical publication in medical science area. So I'm really feeling honored by your department twice. First of all, for my job as professor, like it's kind of related to my life satisfaction. Like I really like to observe things, investigate things, and record things. That has been my lifetime habit from like my age 4 or 5, and I started writing, observing, and studying, and I really liked those. But in the middle of my teenage time and college, I figured out not so many people like to do what I like to do. So I was looking for group or society that people like me gathered and shared their ideas. Academia was the perfect area for me. And then in academic area, I had to find my own position like researcher or teacher or professor. I really like to share my ideas and research both of them. Then when I took a look at the job description of a professor, then it's total package. Professors are supposed to research, disseminate their research outcomes at conference and publications. Even they are supposed to disseminate what they know to the students and sharing. So when I saw the job description of the professor, then I knew I would want to be a professor. So I never changed my dream. And the field, I realized that maybe some part I was influenced by my mother, who was a nursing professor. So I was exposed to health topics a lot of time. And personally also, I realized that in the future, people will not work a lot because of the technological benefits. So I realized that how to enjoy life, how to be healthy as long as possible will be the really critical issue in our life. So that's how I chose kinesiology and recreation administration. that has both, right? I know that it's a really hard time nowadays, like because of COVID-19 and a lot of things are going on. However, I want them know that becoming a graduate student, it's a really big opportunity for them. They are gonna be able to have access to the very up-to-date knowledge about what's going on, and they will be able to figure out how to make their life better and also how to move on in their career. So I was a graduate student one time before too. I never regretted that I was a graduate student. I met tremendous, amazing professors who were my mentors, and those were affecting my career, not only my career, but also my life as it is too.